This is a video that shows how to remove the side mirror housing or cover on a Mercedes-Benz AMG GT, GTS, GTC, or GTR. They're all the same. You may have seen some videos about removing other Mercedes-Benz mirror housings for other models where all they do is separate this lip, pull, and then the entire housing will come off. That is incorrect. We cannot do that. So, a few things first. You need 3 tools. 2 nylon trim removal tools with edges just like this, and 1 very small flathead screwdriver. That is all that is needed. Okay, first things first. We have to come around to the mirror side and put our thumb here and push on the mirror at this point, which will then allow this area to get exposed enough where we can grab it and just gently pull on the mirror. Be gentle, but don't be afraid. There are multiple snaps that hold the mirror onto this round mount, which is then controlled by the motor inside for the angle. To get the mirror off of the housing, we're going to take our small screwdriver and right here, we're going to put it underneath this white tab, lift that tab with the screwdriver, and with our other hand we're going to pull this section out, and this will come apart. There are also 2 wires that just pull off right here. I am going to do that now. With those wires removed, we now have our mirror. Next, with these 2 tools, going to apply some light pressure into the seam right here and make a slight separation. You'll see there are 3 tabs. Actually, that's it. 1 tab, a longer tab, and a shorter tab. Now we come to the front of the mirror, and we're going to do the same thing with our 2 tools. Right here in this seam, and I'll show you the tabs in a moment. There's 1 tab where I'm working, right here. There's 1 tab here, and there's another tab right over here. And we just need to make this housing loose, like this. And then we're going to go to the mirror side next. All right, now we're at the mirror side. We're going to push this plate in, so it's in as far as it can go. We're going to grab this lip and just pick it up over that. And this entire unit will slide off. And that's it. All right, we're going to put this back on. Here's our housing. Now, I took this off with the intention of learning how this is going to come apart so I could put a carbon fiber wrap on this. This edge right here, I think, is going to make it really challenging. So I'm going to see if maybe I can replace this with an actual carbon fiber piece. I'm not entirely sure yet, but now you see it's not that difficult to put to take off and to put back on. So this goes onto this blue connector here. So we want to be careful when we reattach it. So we're going to reattach it from the back, or I'm sorry, from the front of the vehicle side, like this. Now in reverse order. Be careful of our plugs. Put our plugs inside. Push that down from the back side, so it's about close. Here I'm going to push the lip over the front of the mirror. Now this entire housing is loose. It just snaps in. There. Okay. These wires right here go back on our mirror. Our primary. Okay. These small 2 wires go back onto their terminals. Now the mirror just snaps back in place. And that's it. We're back on. When you turn on the vehicle, of course, the mirror is going to remain wherever we had positioned it when we were doing this service. So you're just going to have to either hold down your memory button or reset your mirrors back to where they're supposed to be. And that's all.